Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport HSE. This car is next due for a service in March 2022 and has previously had one owner. You have 19-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, Carpathian Grey exterior, a powered tailgate, great if you have your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs and pushchairs, and you can also put the seats down if you need more room. And you can close the boot using the button again on your key. Going into the front, you also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Aluminium Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely contrasting interior. Fixed panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light, but you can also pull the sunblind all the way across if you wish. Suspension, so higher if you're off-roading, in the middle for just general driving, or lower to make it easier to get in and out of the car. Different driving modes including grass, gravel and snow, sand and mud ruts. Heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter, and you do also have heated seats in the back, also keeping all passengers happy. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a rear view camera making parking and reversing a lot easier. Eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, for example if you're braking too hard, and you can also see the history of your journeys. Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone and make calls whilst on the go. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, all handy when driving along the motorway. And a heated steering wheel, which again is a luxury in winter. Memory seats, ideally for several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 27,480 miles. And you do also have head-up display, which you can change the brightness, the positioning, or the content you want to see, and having this enables you to keep your eyes on the road. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Range Rover Sport 3-litre diesel. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.